We're going to start with the primary schools. Shane, those little kids were almost falling asleep. I just made sure that they didn't fall asleep in hulle pad. So, hulle het amper aan die slaap geraak. Is julle reg vir die laaste gedeelte van vanaand? Is julle reg om te hashtag golden? Yeah, don't leave me hanging now. We've got to go Golden Jubilee. You know what I said to Mr. Nell earlier on? You guys are in a privileged situation. So Shannon and myself goes into townships, really rural townships, where black people has never seen white people, kids. So Shannon and I go in there and we donate shoes, school shoes, to kids there. And what breaks my heart is those kids don't have the facilities you guys have. They don't. But they've got a smile on their face, they're at school every day, they're humble, and they want to learn. So I want to congratulate you guys. You guys are humble, you enjoy what you need to enjoy, you're doing something right here. I don't know if it's in the water, Benny said just now something about it's in the water maybe. But from the parents, the teachers, and the scholars, I want to congratulate you guys. You are doing an amazing job. If this is our next generation, our country is in good hands. So I want to applaud you, sir. Well done. I know you guys go from strength to strength. And if God bless us, we'll be back next year. Even if I'm not here, I'll be there because I don't want to miss this show. Are you having fun? Okay, julle weer heel die ons amper klaar. Dis weekend môre, is dit nie? En julle kan kom maar weer ry hierso. Hulle sê mos as jy onderste bo wil kots kom skop oor hier net. Dis lekker hierso. Yes, I feel like last year's MC now. Are you guys ready at the back? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the little ones, the primary school kids. You can open the curtains, and here we go for the last part of this show. Van die Poort Laerskool. Put your hands together for Mia Pitson and Jared Sleeper. Laerskool Donnie Malone. Vir my slaap en hier skrom. There we go, from Northwich Primary, tomorrow Thunder and Emma Morrison. There we go, from Law School Magaliesstryd, Maurice Pretorius and Jordan Sangelo.
First day, you and me, 50 so we talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. Leaving in a taxi, kissing the backseat of the driver, let the radio play. Singing like, sure, love was handmade for somebody. Come out for my leave. That's not talk too much. Said, put that money on me. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. You push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is
Law School Mayville, the guys together for Alana Roos and Jason Wood.
like you. Every day is something brand new. I'm in love with your body.
Yeah, there we go. Put your hands together for Law School Stefanus Roos, for Zia Krause, Owen Hendricks. That was amazing. Alright, are you ready for the juniors? The juniors are going to be in cocktail wear, sponsored by ADV Couture. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mpilo Shande. Put your hands together for Media Box.
She's a designer, a lifetime rider. Fuck your heart. Let me face through it. I get high all the time. All the time. Stay from the bed, dream, save me. 'Cause I'm not insane. She saved me. Let me face through it. I get high all the time. I got my head on. She break my heart and shit.
Alright, put your hands together for Yaku van Mark. Put your hands together for Gaichi Wano. Put your hands together for Chanzel van der Bergen. Put your hands together for Mercy Tooley. There we go. Put your hands together for Cohen Champion.
I'm still kissing you. Pacing your room for days. Breathing back me. Pretend silence, 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 need to touch. Advice, silence, passing time.
There we go. Put your hands together for Michelle Rose. Ellis. Now there we go, let's hear it for Scott Adams. There we go, let's hear it for Tato Malalila. There we go, let's hear it for Megan Pitzer. For Jaden Heath. For Sheree Hendrickson. For Megan. For a monthly rolling. Hands together for the Czechoslovakia. Let's hear it for let's hear it for Raymond Buckley. Yeah, they're going to join the juniors. It seems like you guys are falling asleep here. Are you still awake? They only walk as good as you shout, eh? So you've got to... This is quite fun. There you go. I like it. Are you still with me? Are you okay? Die ek sien met cheap seats. Dames en here, die seniors in hulle formele aandrag. Dogters en seuns is gekeer deur Adrian van HVD Couture. Kom ons sit ons hande by mekaar vir ons eerste contestant. Haar naam is Mia Skeepers. Ja, kom hier. Victorious. Put your hands together for our Norco Drip Choir. Together for Annika is Annika is hands together for Musa Nandi. Put your hands together for Morsaleen Mutanda. Put your hands together for Tima Maria. Put your hands together for Lovely Morlotto. Let's put it together for Magnus Rodin. Now let's hear it for Teo Fabri. Let's hear it for Stein Gallagher. Yeah, let's put it together for the tango. Akala. Annelies November. Let's hear it for the seniors. How cool did they look? Did you enjoy that? A big thank you to Adrian and his team from ABD Couture. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the teachers. So there was some teachers that were brave enough to participate in the catwalk. So I'm just going to throw it in there. Judges, you got to score them, huh? So they're getting scored just as everybody else gets scored. So, do you know who the teachers are? Have you got your favorite teacher yet? Hulle sê in Afrikaans daar's 'n kurkel in die kabel. And watch this space. All the teachers being dressed by Adrian and his team from ABD Couture. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Put your hands together for Juffrou Danielle Roots and meneer Tsusurmani of voor juffrouw Monique de Toy en meneer Daniel Junior. Please put your hands together for juffrouw Marlies Schutte, meneer Vian Straat. There we go, please put your hands together for juffrouw Anke Schumann en meneer André Kachelhoffen. Here we go, I don't hear you. Tell something like this. Put your hands together for Mevrou Helen Haasbroek. There we go, let's put it together for Yellow Holstein. One thing I've got to compliment them on, is there any 80s babies in the house? Jullie lijkt geweest dat ik wat hier zelf al verstaan heb. Alright, jullie recht voor die krullen. Are we going to go straight into it? Judges, are you ready? Your scores are in. Are you happy? Are you happy with the winners? Was al een beetje van een fight. Huh? Net een klein beetje, dat jullie niet worden alles saamgestemd niet. But how can you? You know what? Als je met een vrouw kan saamstemmen, wees bij de iPod. And you know what they say? Happy life, happy wife. Ja. Nou, dat one. Are you ready? Oké, ons gaan gauw weer die laerskoolkindertjies zien. Hulle gaan gauw een Paris walk vir ons doen. Are you ready for them? One more time. Put your hands together for all die laerskoolkids. Hulle maak geskiedenis vanaand. Ja, ek weet nie. Let's give them a big round of applause. Well done. Hulle het geskiedenis gemaak. Dit is die eerste keer dat die raadskole betrokken raak by 'n event soos hierdie. So well done. Did you guys enjoy it? Ja, ek het dit geniet. Die girls het meer geniet op die island, ja. Ek wil haar PlayStation speel. So right, dis julle reg vir die wenner. Ons gaan begin met meneer Mini Oofie vir 2024. Alright, put your hands together for Nian Gromler. You can stand right there in the middle. Maar jy is gekroon nou, jy moet achter jou aan loop, is reg. That's the attitude. Yeah, gooi hom so. I'll say, I'll wait. You can see I've done this before, ne? Well done. My juffrou Mini Oofie 2024 is Fulses Dim the Lights. There we go. Sene Swart! There you go. My juffrou Mini Oofie 2024. There you go, let's give it up for your two winners tonight. The winners and the juffrou Mini Oofie 2024. Nian Gromler en Sene Swart. You can take your off for. Let's give them a big round of applause. Let's say goodbye to the youngsters. Now you can go. Well done and well done for making history. Ons gaan die wenners nou net jou kry vir 'n groot groep op die song. So, do you want to see the Onnies again? One more time. They're going to do a Paris walk, and this time they're doing it with swagger. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for julle onderwysers vir 2024. Yeah, there we go, put your hands together for the Onnies. Doesn't that look amazing? So they've set the bar now, and Monday morning they got to rock up at school like this, I think. That will be quite cool. Are you ready to find out who's your Jubilee King and Queen for 2024? Ryan, dim the lights. Let's rock and roll. Your Jubilee King for 2024 is... There we go. Andre, we're gonna crown your queen now, and then you can take One more time. I think this is your thing. Backstage, you said it's not your thing. I think you should quit teaching and get on the ramp. Ladies and gentlemen, your Jubilee Queen for 2024 is... Put your hands together for... Helen! There we go, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your Jubilee King and Jubilee Queen, America Holiday and Helen Hartley. Thank you so much, one time. Yeah, there we go, I hear it. Alright, it's getting quite excited now, so are you excited still? Are you okay? Yeah? Okay. Yes, I'm pushing for time here, but I'll get it right, I promise you I'll get it right. We'll be out of here, I promise you, before 1 o'clock. So ladies and gentlemen, right now, we're going to have a Paris walk with Mr. and Miss Oofie 2023, Sharnay Groenewald in Steyn. Put your hands together. Remember they lost the drive. They're handing over the titles tonight. There we go, let's give them another big round of applause. Yeah, there goes Sharnay Groenewald in Steyn. Well done, Steyn. Alright, are you ready for one more time the junior finalists? Ja? Maar als we nog één keer kijken naar op het Paris Walk, put your hands together for the junior finalists. Your juniors for tonight. Put your hands together. Your juniors. Alrighty. Tijdens die finalistische fotosessie was daar 'n reeks foto's geneem en hulle het besluit op meneer Oofie Fotogenies 2024 en mevrou Oofie Fotogenies 2024. So are you ready for your meneer Oofie Fotogenies 2024? Let's dim the lights and it goes to none other than Champion! juffrou Oofies fotogenies vir 2024. Sherry Hendrickson. Alrighty, en dan het ons meneer en Miss Recycle. Dit was die recycling clothes, die woolies klere wat julle gedra het. Soos Benny gesê het, daar's nie 'n plastiek sak in. Iemand gesê daar's nie 'n plastiek sak oor in hierdie kant van die berg nie. So ja, meneer Recycle goes to Scott Adams. Alright, your Miss Recycle goes to KG Moretti. We're going to ask you to join the rest of the contestants. We're getting to the big one now. So if you guys can just join them quickly. We're getting into the big one now. Meneer en mejuffrou Oofie Jubilee 2024. Your second prince is Raylan Buckley. Sorry, I said your second, it says there first, the first prince, got to Raylan Buchling. So we're doing first princess now as well. Your first princess for the juniors goes to KG Moretti. Moving on to our second princess, or second prince, goes to Jaden Heath. Small mistake at the back. Yeah, we'll fix it quickly. Don't worry. Don't worry. Sorry, we between the judges and between the backside, we got it wrong. So there is not a prize for Raylan, you guys. You still came second. So the first princess is these guys. So that's how we had it the first time. So sorry. So Raylan Buchling, Keiji Moleko, second prince and second princess. First princess and first prince, Jaden Eve, Cherie Hendrickson. There we go. Now your Mr. Junior Jubilee and Miss Junior Jubilee for 2024 goes to Mr. Junior Jubilee 2024, Scott Adams. And your Miss Junior Jubilee 2024 goes to Amelia Bush. There we go, let's hear again for Raylan Buchling, Keiji Moleko, Jaden Eve, Cherie Hendrickson, Scott Adams and Amelia Bush. That's cool. There you go. Thanks, action. Guys, continue. You guys continue with Father Walker. Fantastic guys. We'll see you later. Have a fantastic evening. Well done. I just want to get my script here. They stole my script here. Can you believe it?
Is it only me out here? Searching for the place so hidden. Is it me? Is it you? Is it me? Standing on the line I was given. People stand by me while
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for Mr. and Miss Clifford Clay 2023 to do their final walk? Put your hands together for Shorty Rodemayer and Francois Cronje. Put your hands together for a lot skills winners. Francois Cronje. Alright, we're almost there. It's been a marathon. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together one more time for Mr. and Miss Golden Jubilee finalist 2020 for the seniors. Here we go. There we go, what a special moment to be part of the Golden Jubilee finalists. Let's give them a big round of applause. Alright, the same as the senior, the juniors, we had the photography photos done. We have a Mr. and Miss Personality and a Mr. and Miss Photography and Photogenic. Your Mr. and Miss Personality for 2024. Mr. Personality goes to Tiva Maria. Alright, your Miss Personality for 2024 goes to Mia Skipper. Moving on to jou benering en die juffrou Oeverkruin Fotogenies. Mr. Oeverkruin Fotogenies goes to Russell Zupwa. Your Miss Oeverkruin Fotogenies goes to Norma Maslande. Alrighty, other than the juniors, they had to do their cultural walk from Tuka tot Nou. Your Mr. Cultural 2024 goes to Shane Bielaga. Cultural 2024 goes to today, right? Alrighty, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm joking. I know you're excited. Okay, I also want to go home. My Yorkie is waiting for me. So, this is the moment. Your Mr. Golden Jubilee second prince goes to Marnus Roderick. Miss Golden Jubilee second princess goes to Michaela Lurie.
We go right till we fall. They say we got no future at all. Doing a geeky.
If you don't work that thing properly, it's gonna look like a recycled one. Just really finished. Alright, your Mr. Golden Jubilee first prince is Saint Bianca! Right, your Miss Golden Jubilee first princess goes to Danica van Rijn. Now, there we go. Before we crown your winners tonight, I just want to say thank you for your hospitality. You guys were an amazing audience. Hope to see you again soon. And it's going to be a lucky one, huh? Should we go home now? No. You're waiting for the winner. So your Mr. Golden Jubilee for 2024 goes to... I want to hear who it is. Are you ready for your Miss Golden Jubilee 2024? Goes to Natalie Porter! Here we go, let's give another big round of applause for Tanya O'Donnell and Natalie Porter. Your Mr. and Miss Golden Jubilee 2024. You guys are awesome. God God safely, God bless. We'll see you at 2025. Go have fun. Our wedding ceremony. Yeah, there we go. One more time for your winners tonight. There we go. Judges, thank you. Audience, thank you. There we go. There we go, you can take some photos with the winners. If you want to get all the winners on stage, and well done to everybody.